And g'day, today we're looking at this. It's a Lisen air vent car mount for a smartphone. It's a model S6, and let's open it up and see what's in the box. Not a lot to see. And this is everything that came in the box. You've got an instruction manual, the magnetic smartphone air vent holder, a couple of PE films. You've got a little wipe and 2 metal plates which are self-adhesive. Not all cases have got a strong magnet in them, so in that case you open the little wipe, clean down this area, grab the little metal disc, tear off the adhesive pad at the back, position it, get the little clear sealer that goes over the top, tear it off and position over the top of it, and you've got yourself a nice little magnetic case. Now to fit it, we just simply push it in, hook it at the back and tighten it up. So that's nice and solid, it's not going to fall out. And I'll just adjust the front to the angle that I want. Probably about that'll do. And stick my phone in. That's it. It works. Beautiful. Perfect. That's what we like to see. Gadgets that actually work. This little Lisen magnetic air vent smartphone holder, absolutely brilliant. It's solid and works perfectly every single time. I recommend this, if you're looking for a holder for your phone. This is a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and it works perfectly with it.